How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about Kegel exercises for men step by step. So I got this question from a subscriber. We're going to go over this right now. Before we begin though, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, my email is in the description box. Send me a quick email and we can talk more details. So let's get started. So the subscriber wants to know step by step everything that you need to do to develop your Kegel exercises so that you can not only last longer in bed, but you can control your bladder and you can get better erections, everything you guys like. Kegel exercises are the key for male performance if that is what you guys want. If that is what you want, if you want to dominate girls, the bedroom, you want to be the man, like the player, everything like that. Or if you just want to develop your bladder, have better bladder control, maybe not leak your urine, stuff like that. Better control over when you jizz, stuff like that. Doesn't matter what you were trying to do, Kegel exercises are crazy good. So what is the best exercise? The best thing that you can possibly do to perform, to get your Kegel exercises perfect. Because a lot of people, they ask me and they say, you know what, I have no idea about Kegel exercise. I don't know. I try, I can never feel the muscle working. I do certain exercises. A lot of people, they recommend wall squats. You guys know what wall squats are. You just lean against a wall. You perform a squat, or you can do just holding the squat position against a wall. That's another exercise. You guys can do lunges. That's another very good exercise for hitting your Kegels. Planks are okay as well. Side clam positions. There's lots of different exercises that people recommend, but the best exercise that you can possibly do, the best, hands down, the best exercise is going to be feeling that muscle when you stop urinating. Now, everyone's gonna be like, what are you talking about? Here's the thing, and I've said this in a video before, I know I've said this, is that you need to feel that muscle working. Just like your pec. You wanna see your pec working? You can flex your pec, you guys. So, like I have my shirt on, I'm not gonna take my shirt off for you guys. But flexing your pec, flexing your bicep, you guys, that is a muscle that you have learned to develop by weightlifting, by bodybuilding, by powerlifting, by strength training, anything fitness related. Doing anything with contracting your muscle. That's all your Kegels are, is a muscle. You guys haven't learned how to contract it yet. Once you can contract it, it's just like flexing your bicep. So imagine doing 10 reps of your biceps. Imagine doing this 10 times for your Kegels. That would be a workout. And you guys are like, wow, that's super easy. I don't need to do bicep curls. I don't need to do pull-ups. I don't need to do anything like that. I just need to flex it. Yes, it's as simple as that. That is how you develop them. But again, people do not know how to feel that muscle working. So how do you feel that muscle working? Again, like I said, you stop urinating midway. So start urinating, then stop. Feel that muscle. You feel that muscle? Now what you want to do, and I say this lots to my clients, anyone that asks me for help with their Kegels, is that you must perform them laying on a bed. Don't practice doing them urinating. That is the stupidest thing, and you will wreck your bladder doing that. But feeling the muscle, stopping your urination every little, like once a week, that's not bad at all. That's not going to hurt you. But if you're performing that 3, 4, 5 times a day to try to develop the muscle like that, that is incorrect. That will hurt your bladder. So what you do is you just do it once. You feel how that muscle is working, and then go lay on a bed. What people do wrong is that they try to do their Kegel exercises sitting down with their back up, or they try to do it standing up. You will never ever feel your Kegels working like this unless you're super freaking advanced in flexing your Kegel muscles. And a lot of you guys are beginners. That's why you're asking this question. How do I feel that muscle? So lay on a bed. That is the easiest thing that you can do because all your muscles are relaxed. Even when you're standing up, your legs, your core, everything is contracting. When you're laying on a bed, you guys, everything is relaxed. Your legs are relaxed. They're not stretched. Even when you're sitting down on a couch or something, your body is still erect. Your core is still engaged. Everything is engaged, you guys, because you're still doing something. Laying on the bed is the most relaxed position that you can do. So you only have to think about stretching that one muscle, which is your Kegel exercise. Now, What people do wrong is they try to do this right now. They'll go urinate, they'll go lay on the bed, they'll try to urinate. Guess what happens? They don't feel that muscle working right away. So what do? They give up. Incorrect. Keep trying, you guys. Keep trying until you feel that muscle. What you can do is try it once a day. That's it. Once a day, stop urinating. Do that for maybe a week. See what happens. You can go a little bit longer than that, but if you tried it for a week, you still cannot feel the muscle working, then I recommend taking 3-4 days off. Give your bladder a break. Then keep trying it. What's really bad with society now is if you guys cannot get something right away, first, second try, give up on it. Done. Boom. Gone. No. That if you guys focus, you try doing this. It's not that hard. Me personally, it took me, I would say, 14 or 15 times before I felt the muscle work. 14 or 15 times, you guys. And like I recommend, do not do it 2, 3, 4 times a day. Do it once a day. If you can't get it today, do it the next day. Do it until you finally get it. So it's as simple as that, you guys. Like, you need to keep trying until you feel that muscle, because all it is, it's feeling the muscle. You can do any single freaking stretch you want, you're still not going to feel it. The best way is the urination. So that is the step-by-step, you guys. That's the easiest way that I can explain it. Hopefully you guys did enjoy my video. Again, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please share the video, like the video. Thanks for watching.